You can make money on Audible by Amazon through several methods, including audiobook creation, affiliate marketing, and selling audiobooks. Here's a breakdown of how to get started. Create and sell audiobooks. Use ACX. This platform connects authors, narrators, and producers to create audiobooks. You can narrate your own book. If you're an author, convert your book into an audiobook and sell it on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Become a narrator. If you have a good voice, you can audition to narrate audiobooks and earn money either upfront or through royalty sharing. Earn royalties. You can earn up to 40% royalties on every audiobook sold if you choose an exclusive distribution option. Audible Affiliate Program. Sign up for Amazon Associates. Promote Audible memberships and audiobooks through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Earn commissions. Earn up to $15 for every person who signs up for an Audible free trial through your unique referral link. Marketing strategies. Share Audible links with your audience through content marketing, email newsletters, or podcasts. Create audiobook reviews and tutorials to encourage sign-ups.